Mr. Delicious Food Truck is a culinary gem on wheels, offering an exquisite dining experience that tantalizes taste buds and satisfies cravings. From the moment you lay eyes on the vibrant food truck, adorned with its eye-catching logo and inviting aromas wafting through the air, you know you're in for a treat. Stepping up to the window, you're greeted by a friendly and passionate team, dedicated to delivering top-notch service and culinary masterpieces. The menu, carefully curated by a team of expert chefs, is a fusion of global influences, showcasing the very best of international flavors. Whether you're in the mood for a juicy burger with a twist, a mouth-watering taco bursting with fresh ingredients, or a zesty stir-fry that takes your taste buds on a journey, Mr. Delicious Food Truck has something for everyone. One bite into their signature dishes, and you'll understand why this food truck has gained a loyal following. The flavors are bold, vibrant, and expertly balanced, elevating traditional street food to a whole new level. Each dish is crafted with love and attention to detail, using only the finest ingredients sourced from local farmers and suppliers. The dedication to quality is evident in every bite, leaving you craving for more. The creativity doesn't stop at the main courses. Mr. Delicious Food Truck also offers an array of delectable sides and desserts that perfectly complement the main dishes. Whether it's their crispy sweet potato fries, tangy coleslaw, or indulgent chocolate lava cake, you'll find yourself immersed in a culinary symphony of flavors and textures. The food truck is also known for its ever-changing specials, showcasing seasonal ingredients and innovative creations that keep customers coming back for more. Beyond the exceptional food, Mr. Delicious Food Truck takes pride in creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. The vibrant colors and lively music create a lively ambience, perfect for enjoying a meal with friends or family. The team behind the food truck is passionate about building connections with their customers, taking the time to chat, share stories, and create a sense of community wherever they go. So, the next time you spot the colorful Mr. Delicious Food Truck parked on a street corner or at a local event, don't hesitate to indulge in a culinary adventure. From the first bite to the last, you'll experience the passion, creativity, and dedication that sets this food truck apart. Get ready to embark on a journey of flavors, where every dish is a work of art and every meal leaves you craving for more.